It's midnight, I'm outside. Your car's warm. Did you just get home? I can't drive, I won't cry. Who's inside? I feel so alone, and there's only 2% on my phone.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm feeling super excited. I woke up feeling so good. It's on a Monday morning and I'm so grateful, guys. So if you're new here and you're watching this video for the first time, kindly consider subscribing. And even to my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my content. I don't take that for granted. May you all be blessed. So guys, today in this video I want to do a kamkunji haul, and I also want to do a bit of update on my kitchen. Right now I've already installed a contact paper, a black one. I'll just show you, and I'll also put my shears up. So but I'm not doing the shears today. I need to go and get the rods, and then I'll do that before this video goes up. So I just want to go ahead and unbox, and I hope you guys will enjoy the video. So this is the carton that came with the things that I ordered, and it's quite big, and I had already opened it because I wanted to confirm that what is in there is what I ordered. And I got these things from Tina Lois. I'll put her name here. She runs errands, guys. You can just send her anything that you want. If you're not able to go to Kamkunji by yourself, just send her. She'll get everything that you want. It's not only Kamkunji, she goes even to Isli and other places that you want to send her. I'll just put her YouTube channel here, and you can just contact her and check her out. She has really nice video. She's a great content creator. So without talking much, let me just get started with the unboxing. The first item I got is this dish rack. It's the two layer dish rack, and it's black. That is what I wanted. I wanted it in all black. So for the dish rack, I will show you once we have already fixed it, because it needs to be put together. Then here I have the spice jars. Like, this is what I wanted. I'm super excited, guys. I really wanted these jars. They are so cute. Oh my god. Just look at that. And they come with their stickers. So I'll be putting my spices in here. Like, I'm so excited. And I even love the size. It's nice. So the next thing I got is these canisters. I needed them. As I told you, I wanted to change that. That is the plastic one. This one where I put my tea bag. So I needed to change this. So I got these canisters, and I love them. These ones I've already opened them. They're actually my favorite purchase. And they're in black, guys. They're in black. Just look at that. I am so happy. So there are 3 of them. The tea one, the sugar, and this one, the coffee one. And they have this rack where I can just place them here like this. Yeah, like that. They're so cute. So cute. I love the black and this bamboo. It's so nice. And they also came with these 3 spoons. So yeah, this one is my favorite purchase actually. I love these so much, so much. The next thing I got is I needed this bamboo. What is the chopping board? Yeah, I needed this chopping board, so I got this one. I got this bathroom rack. I want to place my, I'll put it on the wall like this. Then I can place my shampoos, my shower gels and all that. So I got the 2 of them. I'll be placing them like that in the bathroom. Yeah. That is how I want to place them. And I wanted them in black. Then I got this oil jar. Yeah, this one, the bamboo lid. I love this. Like I'm about to change this one. This one is actually a bottle of alcohol. I decided to clean it, and then I just placed this thing here, and I put a contact paper here, and then it just looked like an oil jar. Yeah. So I'm about to change that for this one. I'm so happy. Then the other thing I got is I needed a dinner set because I didn't have enough plates, cups for us, and even maybe when I have guests, I didn't have somewhere where I can serve them from. So I decided to get this dinner set. Yeah, I got this one. I love it. Again, white and the black detail over here. I just love it. So these ones are 6 of them, 6 balls. So yeah, 6 plates. And I don't know what else. Let me check. And then it comes with this. I don't know if these are the plates or the saucers. I don't know, guys. I don't know. My kitchen is about to look good, and I'm about to have more guests. So you're welcome. You're all welcome. At least now I have plates. I have cups. I'm so excited. So yeah, these ones are also 6 of them. And now the cups, they're so cute. Oh my god. You just see the cups that I had. They had started cracking over here, and inside they had cracks. And I only have like 4 of them, 4 cups. So if I had guests, I don't even know where I would serve them. Yeah. Kidogo tu nafungulia. So now these are the plates. They are so big. Yeah. I hope I'll be able to maintain these things because I'm not that good at handling glasses. I break a lot. So I really hope I'm going to be able to maintain them. Then the last thing I got, guys, is serving dishes. I needed serving dishes because sometimes when I serve food, I used to put the food in cooking pots, and then I put them on the dining table, and that is not aesthetically pleasing. So I needed serving dishes, yeah, to serve my family. Yeah, my family. Yeah. Just look at that, guys. Look at that. So I don't even know where to place these ones. I have run out of space. They come in a set of 3. So this one, even when I cook chapatis, I can put them in here, because sometimes I put my chapatis in a basin, and you know, it doesn't look cute. So I'll just show you once I've finished unboxing them. This is the last one. So guys, I just sent Tina Lois everything that I wanted, and she got exactly what I wanted. She didn't even make even a mistake. Everything that I wanted is what she got. So send her guys, support her, and she'll get you exactly what you want. Exactly what you want. So I need to figure out how to arrange my kitchen, because now I have a lot of things. I'll need to figure out how to go about my kitchen arrangement. Yeah, so these ones look like that. Yeah, I need to handle them with so much care, because they can easily break, and I wouldn't like that. So guys, that is all I got, and I just want to thank God so much, for he has been so faithful to me. Like this month I've done a lot of changes, guys. Like things are just happening, the good things are just happening in my life, and I'm so grateful. I've always been coming here on my channel, and I told you I've wanted things for my kitchen, but I didn't have money. But you know, money, pesa inatafutwa, you look for money, and finally God blessed us. And there are things that I've not gotten yet, like my spice jars, but I'm thinking I'll keep I'll stay with these ones for the meantime. I don't have a rush. These ones are still working okay for me, and yeah, I'll just add things one step at a time. So I want to now clean these things up, and then I'll go ahead and arrange them, because even right now my kitchen is not fully arranged. As I told you, I'm not so good at arranging the kitchen. It's not in me. So I'm going to figure out where to put my cooking pots, because they're up here and they don't look good up here. My shopping is there, it's not looking good. So I'm just going to figure out how to go about that. For now, I want my hubby to install this dish rack, so that I can clean these things and put them on this dish rack, because my other dish rack, it's like not strong. It is shaking a lot, and I'll just show you. Let me just show you how it looks. So yeah, I'm the one who has placed a lot of things on it. I had cleaned these dishes, the cooking pots, they were not shiny, so I had to go ahead and clean them and shine them completely. And as you can see, my dish rack is not that strong. You can see it, I don't even want to shake it, because it can fall everything. So I'll wait for these things to dry up, then I'll put them away, and now put my new dish rack there. So yeah guys, so this is the black contact paper that was installed in our kitchen. I love it. This is how it looks. It's really nice. So I went for black, because I felt like if I did white, it will be too much white in this kitchen. So I decided to go for a black contact paper. And then I removed my shears. I want to go and get a rod, and then put up my white shears there. And now yeah, so let me now go ahead and put these things away, clean them, and then put them away.
To hold me like you do. You're so wonderful. A star could never shine as bright as you. Shine as bright as you. Even the dark days still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you.
So I've gotten a curtain rod. I'm going to place it, and then right now I want to wipe these things and put them in their respective places, of which I've not figured out where, but I'll do that. I've washed them already. As you can see, I left them here to dry for like an hour or so. So right now I just want to go ahead and arrange them.
You walk in the room. When you walk in the room, it's not optional. How gravity just pulls me right to you. you. Even the dark days still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you. Spent my whole life waiting for someone like you, baby, and all these broken roses led to you. Spent my whole life waiting for someone like you, baby, and all these broken roses led to you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you. Found myself smiling more. The moment you leave, I feel down again. I talk to myself on the floor just to feel less alone. I swear that I'm trying my best. You tell me the stress shouldn't be a friend. I wonder where I'll end up next on the corner of hope. So hold my hands out for a minute. I'll let you know when to let go. You give a little love with a little sun. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're running. You never say a word, even when it hurts. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're smiling. You make it look easy. I don't understand how you can love me the way that I am. You give a little love with a little sun. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're running. I found myself dreaming again. The moment you leave, it goes blank in my head. It feels like my bed is on fire when I'm sleeping alone. So hold my hands high for a minute. I'll let you know when to let go. You give a little love with a little sun. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're running. You never say a word, even when it hurts. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're smiling. You make it look easy. I don't understand how you can love me the way that I am. You give a little love with a little sun. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're running. You make it look easy. I don't understand how you can love me. You make it look easy. I don't understand how you can love me. You make it look easy. I don't understand how you can love me. You make it look easy. I don't understand how you can love me. Found myself smiling more. The moment you leave, I feel down again. I talk to myself on the floor just to feel less alone. I swear that I'm trying my best. You tell me the stress shouldn't be a friend. I wonder where I'll end up next on the corner of hope. So hold my hands out for a minute. I'll let you know when to let go. You give a little love with little sun. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're running. You never say a word, even when it hurts. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're smiling.
So for me, I'm going to look for a jug, a ceramic jug where I can be putting my mucos, and I just want mucos. I'm not going to buy the silicone spoons. I want to buy more and more mucos. Yeah, and then I'll put them in that jug, and then I'll also change the knife the knife set. Yeah, once I get some cash, I'll definitely look for a knife set. Yeah, that is what I want. So this place is just going to stay like that for now. I'm going to put maybe one jar here. I'm gonna put salt in here. I'm gonna put it here. I'll just leave it. It's not looking that bad. Anyway, yeah, this place is gonna stay like that. This is vinegar in there.
I don't understand how you can love me the way that I am. You give a little love with a little sun. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're running. You make it look easy. I don't understand how you can love me. You make it look easy. I don't understand how you can love me. You make it look easy. I don't understand how you can love me. You make it look easy. I don't understand how you can love me. Found myself smiling more. The moment you leave, I feel down again. I talk to myself on the floor just to feel less alone. I swear that I'm trying my best. You tell me the stress shouldn't be a friend. I wonder where I'll end up next on the corner of hope. So hold my hand tight for a minute. I'll let you know when to let go. You give a little love with a little sun. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're running. You never say a word, even when it hurts. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're smiling.
So this is the final look of my kitchen, and I love everything. Everything looks neat, organized. I just love it. And here is my coffee sugar tea station. Then over here I have my cooking stuff over there, my spices up there, and all the things that I need are up there. I've put my kitchen drawer like this, so it's easier to use when it's like that. I preferred putting it there. Yeah, then on this side is where I've placed my serving dishes. Up there I have my shopping. So I'm still using the previous storage jars. I feel like this place is not fully organized, but I will just organize it with time.
You make it look easy. I don't understand how you can love me.
And then here I have my glasses and my cups. So I've just cleaned some of them that we had used for breakfast, and I'll put them back once they are completely dry. So I love that new dish rack. It's really nice. My shears are up. I love them. I just love how bright my kitchen looks right now. And yeah, guys, just comment and tell me what your thoughts are, if you love it. And I'm going to change these this fruit basket. For now, I'm putting them here in that plastic thing. So that is the outcome of my kitchen.
Wonder where I end up next on the corner of hope. So hold my hand tight for a minute. I'll let you know when to let go.